Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I post videos every single week, so hit the notification bell to get notified when I post. Today I'm going to talk about the Drunk Elephant's newest launch, which is Erase Milky Micellar Water, and this is what the packaging looks like. And this is the product. It's 240 ml, and if you've been following my videos, then you know that I started using this cleanser like months before. So I gotta try this for a long time, and now finally I think that I'm ready to give a review about this. So here I am. So first, what is so special about this one? Like, you have a lot of cleansers out there in the market, but why should we choose this cleanser? Actually, it's not really that hard to answer this question because it really is special and it has some good ingredients in it. I tried this cleanser to remove my makeup. It worked well, and it also moisturizes my skin because it has vitamin E in it, and it can also be used post cleansing to remove any traces of makeup that's left on your skin. So this way you're getting rid of the makeup completely, so your skin will be in its best state because there's no makeup left and you're taking care of skin so much. So yeah, Erase also softens your skin because it has vitamin E in it, and it is suitable for the most sensitive skin types as well because this has good ingredients, and also it doesn't strip your skin because of the pH levels it has. So any people with any skin type can use it. It actually doesn't have any smell to it. A lot of people said that it kind of smells like their hair and body collection range, which is the almond oil smell, but I personally don't think that there's any smell to it, and it is free of fragrance and the suspicious 6, and it is free of a bunch of ingredients. I'll mention them in the description. And this cleanser's texture is completely different. This has a milk texture, like a little bit thick, not too light. And the best part is that the packaging is recyclable, it is vegan and also cruelty free. So what else do you need to buy a product? I think this is all what I look in a product when I purchase it. This ticks all the boxes. The key ingredients are ceramides, vitamin E, and non-fragrant plant oils. So they all kind of moisturize, replenish and soothe your skin. It removes unwanted stuff like sunscreen, makeup, dirt, etc. from your skin, while leaving what you do want, like healthy lipids and protective barrier substances on skin. So after this product was released, there were a lot of questions like, can this be used as a toner? So Drunk Elephant recently posted the answer for this question on their stories, saying that Erase may be used to remove makeup or dirt or sunscreen either before your traditional cleanser or after you cleanse your skin to remove any traces of makeup. And they also said that Erase, like all of their products on the line, is pH balanced, so it doesn't strip your skin from natural oils. And they also said that Erase has vitamin E, ceramides and non-fragrant plant oils to give that extra hydration for your skin. You can use it after cleansing, so it has all the good stuff that generally a toner has. So ultimately it's your choice to experiment and find out the best way that works for you. Personally, for me, I like to use it as a no-rinse cleanser because a lot of times I don't apply makeup, so I use this whenever I want to kind of feel instantly fresh, and your girl is too lazy to go and cleanse her face, so this works very well for me. But Drunk Elephant suggests that you can use this cleanser whenever you want, but you need to cleanse your face with your regular cleanser at least once a day, preferably at night. By the way, Erase also removes heavy makeup. It removes waterproof makeup as well, but it'll take a little bit more time than it would with no makeup. Anyway, it does the job at the end, so it really doesn't matter. With Erase, I have 0% risk of stripping my skin of my natural oils, and it does not feel heavy at all. Like even when I use this on my eyes, it doesn't feel heavy like a lot of cleansing balms and oils do make me feel. This feels light. I personally like this one so much. It has become my favorite. I've been using this daily from past 2 months, I think. Sometimes when I use a normal micellar water, that kind of irritates my eyes a little bit. Not too much, but just a bit, which I don't see with this cleanser. It doesn't irritate my eyes at all, not even a little bit. So that's a big yes for me. So how to use Aries Milky Micellar Water? I'll tell you how I use it. I sometimes use it in the morning and I skip the morning cleanse. And basically after cleansing with this, I directly go on with my skincare routine. And I also use it in the middle of the day, like anytime. There's no particular time for it. Whenever I feel a little bit greasy or whenever my face feels uncomfortable, I use this one. It still works that way. And after that, if I'm using this in the middle of the day, then I just finish it with moisturizer. I don't do the whole skincare routine again, I use just the moisturizer, so it keeps my skin hydrated and makes me feel good. Now coming to the main question, is it worth it? I'd say yes and no, because if you're a person who uses this cleanser only to remove makeup, then I'd say no, because this one's really costly and it not only removes makeup, it also gives the benefits to your skin. So if you're only searching for makeup remover, then it's best to go with the normal drugstore micellar water, and or you could go for a cleansing balm or cleansing oil or any makeup removing cleanser. So I'd say no for those kind of people, and yes for people like me who use it whenever they want, because it kind of hydrates your skin as well, because it has vitamin E and ceramides that benefit your skin. So the people who like to use this one to remove any remaining traces of makeup after cleansing, or you want just a pick-me-up in the middle of the day, then you can use this to get that instant fresh feeling. Or you are a traveler, while you travel, there are not much facilities available to take your cleanser and wash your face whenever you want, and for those kind of people, I think this cleanser works so well, because you don't need water for it. You just need a cotton pad, or you can use it with your hands as well. So for those kind of people, I'd say this would be more useful, because I've never seen any cleanser like this, because I've never seen any micellar water which works like this. This would be a better choice. So in the end, it all comes down to how you use it. If you're gonna use this as a makeup cleanser, then no. If you want to use this as a compatible no-rinse cleanser, then yes, you have to buy this one. For me, I like this a lot, and I hope you will like it too. I'll leave a link in my description for this product, so feel free to check it out, and if you like it, then go for it. I'd say go for it, because I know for a fact that obviously you will love this cleanser, because this one is a really good cleanser. Now if you can afford it, definitely go for this one. This works well. Comment and share my video with your friends, so it helps my YouTube channel grow. And thank you in advance. Take care. Bye bye.